I'm gonna miss my ear so much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, I am so hot. Jesus, I have to make this quick. I try to call Kimona, but I not get to her. Anyways, Jason I got drop me off over Kimona's house. I'm going to pull a little prank on Jason whilst on my way to Kimona. So, I go prank Jason, say I go cut my ear. And that's the reason why I go over Kimona, so Kimona can cut it for me. I don't know if you know, but Jason rather my natural hair like this. Not like him have a problem with braid and stuff like that, but if I could have wear it like this all the time, Jason would have glad. But we leave out of the house now, so soon come back. I'm on my way to Kimona's house, but I go over Kimona go do something, and I feel like it's right to talk to Jason about it first before me even, do it. So babe, the reason why you see me want to go over Kimona so much from the other day, because I go cut my hair, and Kimona make cut my hair.
What do you mean cut
Like, what me did I think for just do the big chop and just leave like an inch on it, or probably
like
2
cut your
inch.
hair, like trim it down?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, I just want a change. And that's why I wear it out so now, because I mean if it's not
like
up.
you cut your hair and make it look short, like you don't have much hair. Why?
I just need a change, babe.
And you can't do that, you know?
I can't do that.
Yeah, you cannot do that.
Why?
Never, if me didn't want it, just like what you that tell me, say, if me didn't want you with a certain level of hair, when I look a girl with a certain level of hair, me never look you like that. Let me talk to you, I was attracted to you because of your hair also, so.
But my hair grow more.
And?
I mean, would I leave an inch or 2?
You know what's an inch?
But this?
Exactly, yeah, I left that on your head and talk to who?
No, because so my ear make you talk to me?
No, but if you do that to your ear, no, not unless it's natural causes. Natural causes, I cause that for me stay with you because of that. Natural causes. If you go take up yourself and cut your ear, you'll be forced to leave you alone because I never saw me talk to you. I never saw me start talk to you.
Babe, I just hear it, I go grow back.
I don't care.
Well, I'm happy I have the conversation with you because I have my stuff them in the back.
If you don't.
If you wanna cut my ear, babe, I'm gonna cut. That's you ever see me wear up my ear like this?
Call it a day, just waste your time.
Waste my time?
You waste your time carry them.
Guys, I'm going to cut my hair.
You're not going to cut your hair. I just say it well, you're not going
and
to
that's the reason why I wear it out like this, because if it not up, nothing wrong, because all of them the ear they are go cut off. But no one love the ear and stuff like that. And it a grow back nice, but I just feel like it could have look healthier. So I go just do the big chop, babe. That's why I do it, because I want it to have like a healthy look.
If you cut your hair, the relationship is over.
See, the relationship will go over because I cut my hair?
And that's the ultimate.
It's my hair, babe. And
if you cut the hair, the relationship is over. No, you don't have any choice about the cutting hair part, but you won't worse. I have a choice to tell me not to go because I'm going to leave it if you cut your hair like that. You know how you're going to look. You know how you're going to look with that hairstyle there? I ask you.
I don't know.
You know what is an inch? Remember when you just started to me and they look ticky. That's so your hair going. And you're not cut that hair then. And I'm not going in a bag of argument. If you cut your hair like that, the relationship over. Well, from my side, come here go walk.
Me not go walk.
Well, it's up to you still. You don't tell him.
Babe, it's not for beauty, it's for duty.
Alright, so what the duty?
Forget it, for grow back and looking healthier.
Man, go just go find you can man. Your mother always tell me say devil find work with your eyeglass. If your eyeglass go find sickness. I tell you.
No, this is not it, babe. That's the first house.
Listen, if the devil find work with eyeglass and you feel like eyeglass, you find something else eyeglass.
This is not a good look right now because when I cut my man for cut my hair, I tell Kimona she already prep our workstation. No, babe, up more. To cut my hair and me just ready to get it
As a matter
over
of fact,
with.
Kim not so stupid if you go agree to you with that, because Kim have more sense than that.
It's not about what kind of sense Kim have on me. Tell her someone want it to get done. And she said, okay.
Oh, so you gotta deal with Kim then?
Babe, it's not even a matter about
No,
where I said,
no,
babe.
you gotta deal with Kim then, because like you and Kim are gonna left back with that hairstyle like that. Me I try to show you.
I'm not like she really agree. It's just that she me tell her I want it to get done and
Well,
she gotta do it.
Kim have more sense than that, and Kim not gonna do that to your hair. And it's final, by the way, like you cannot cut a hair.
It's not final because me go cut it.
It is final. You see, I cut it down one with and left one hair.
Alright, what if I
Are
left
you
4?
silly? You know how much? Oh, are you silly? You know how much is 1 inch a hair? 1 inch a hair look like you want schoolboy. Me tell you something there with no man. My girl go sit down here, man. Me tell you say I don't know. Like yo, it's like everybody just bored these days.
Right over here.
As a matter of fact, it is final. So no, you never got that.
Alright, what if I alright babe? We have to come to some agreement. What
There
if
is
I
no,
cut half and leave back half
No.
and have it grow back?
No.
I don't know. I make up my mind so I go cut it. I already reach over here anyways.
You are right place to tell me to turn. You end up.
No. Because it didn't look like it.
Bro, I forgot to show the trust the directions. Let me just go sit down.
We are called Andrew. My name is Andrew.
Yo,
My
listen,
name
listen.
is Bobby Ram. I gonna miss my ear so much. The next one. But I still gonna do it. I mean, if the relationship over because of that, then I guess that's so because I hear and it I gotta grow back and I'm ready for it go. So guys, you can stay tuned. You can stay tuned for the video that when I make the big chop. I just did wish Jason I got to do that for just see my reaction when the first cut make, but him just gonna drop me off.
I already say one thing to you. Yeah, this not talk like say yo, you know hear me say. So you see since you talk like you hear me say, I will just avoid what you are saying. But don't tell you what is what already. See, you can't cut that ear thing. You go turn yourself in a man.
Me not gonna turn myself in a man, babe. Me still gonna have my cute face. So
So they go follow you because you know you don't know how you're gonna look at it. That's why. I mean alone know.
how you alone for know?
No, come back. I mean, you know, see, I mean alone have sense. What I do with.
Me gonna have my cute face same way. Baby, you're not there with me here, you know, you're there with me because of my personality. Right? Because it could have been for my ear. So if I cut my ear right now.
I'm talking to.
You're there with me because of my ear, babe? May I ask you a question?
Yeah. Yes, me there with you because of your ear. Like you want ear?
And my ear cook and clean?
So why the hell you tell me about that from how ear cook and clean? Yes, sir. Nope.
The next
And the
one.
next one. Nope, nope, nope. And the ear cook and clean. I was first attracted to you because of your ear.
Reach and this is it.
Really, this is it. Come on, physics.
Wish me all the best, babe.
What?
I joke me and make it a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. So I just reached at Kimona's house. Kimona, what we're gonna do right now? Me no I know, but me I make sure answer.
We're gonna work, guys. We're gonna work, okay?
I want to see
We're
that.
gonna chat.
We're gonna lay down and we're gonna chat. That we're gonna do. But a long time when I come over here, I miss my baby.
Yeah.
Watch out with your face. You can't do this. Like looking at the camera and find something. Alright. Tell me something for find.
Family eyebrow. My plan.
It went so hard. You hold the camera and do it. Watch out. Find my nose.
Oh, I get it.